Hello friends, my name is Saurabh and I am the language coach. Welcome to British Express. In my previous video, we were discussing about the communication. We were discussing about several things about communication. Now what is the next? Let me know. Okay, I will tell you the glimpse. I will show you the glimpse of communication. Now let us begin the journey of understanding, and that also step by step. So, in my previous video, we were talking about many things. And if you remember, this is just like a quick recap. If you remember that I was talking about action, I was talking about speaking also, and I was talking about both action and speaking. And when both comes together in same platform, it becomes your past, your present, and sometimes your future also. How? Actually, we are dividing them into 3 time frames. These are the time. And here I am talking about tense. Yes. Tense basically means the time, and this time has been divided into 3 small times. Yes, this is 3 small times. One is your past, another one is your present, and next one is your future. In past, we are just talking about the past action. In present, we are talking about the regular habits, and in future, it is like a virtual world, which is not in exist, not happening also, but somewhere it is happening in our talks. Yes, it is happening in our talks. As I said that it is happening in our talks. So if I simplify the past tense, it is about something happen. Do not get mixed. Do not get confused. It is just about which happened. Now it can be your speaking. It can be your action also. It depends that what happened. Was it your speaking or was it your action in your past? You must be seeing 3 images. One boy is playing, one is swimming, and one is speaking something. And all these 3 actions are somewhere representing the past happening. Okay, let me clarify the things. At same time, we are doing speaking, and in that speaking, we are doing some action also. You must be seeing one timeline also. Yes, this is the best friend of understanding the tense. Now in timeline, what you are seeing, past, present and future. I have drawn few lines in the past. Now it is about the past action which is not crossing the border of past and coming to present. It is remaining in past only. So here in this past, whatever I am doing, it is in the simple form. I need more help. You are confusing me. Is it so? Am I confusing you? Okay, let me elaborate it. In grammar, whatever sentences we speak and that ends up with ed, ied or te, and these are in the verb. These are in the verb. In Hindi, if I simplify it, whatever sentences we are speaking, जो भी हम sentences बोलते हैं, उनके लास्ट में अगर था, थे, थी आ जाता है, वो सारा आपका simple past tense में चला जाता है. Those all are in your simple past tense. I have written 3 examples. बारिश हुई थी, it rained. Here your ed is there, थी is there. सुबह मैं 2 मील चला था. In morning, I walked for 2 miles. उसने मुझे बोला था. he told me. So these are the three sentences which I tried to write and tried to explain you what is actually happening in your simple past. So I am leaving you here. You can also guess out more sentences, more actions, more speaking, and try to filter them whether it is going to your simple past or your simple present or simple future. Wait here. We have discussed simple past. So better filter the sentences in your simple past, and if somewhere you are able to connect with my speaking, then please do not forget to like it, share it and subscribe it. Also, write in the comment box that what you else need in my videos and what you have not understood completely, so that I can get the clear picture, and in my next video I will take up those comments and make a fresh video for a better understanding. Okay, then take care and keep on practicing.